Did you know that hair loss can happen at any age, but there are new treatments, new technologies that are out there, and they're showing promising results. Joining us this morning is New York hair restoration expert, Dr. Michael Wolfeld. Nice to have you back on Good Day New York.
Thank you for having me.
So since the last time you were here, which was probably about a year ago.
That's right.
What new stuff do we have to grow hair back?
Yeah, so there's a new laser. It was just FDA cleared last year in 2024. It is an in-office treatment. What it does is that it helps to, it's actually a fractionated, non-ablative laser. What that means is that it doesn't damage the skin, but it heats up the tissues under the skin, and that helps to release growth factors, and that can help to give a fuller appearance of your hair.
So is that for somebody who maybe is losing hair because of stress and not somebody who is genetically inclined to lose hair?
Yeah, not really for stress, because stress may lead to some shedding hair. So it's not for that. It's for people who have genetic hair loss, have some thinning hair, so it can give her a fuller appearance of thinning hair.